Okay, I've got an idea, Rick. You show us your concept of good TV, and we'll crap all over that.
I thought you'd never ask.
Hey!
Oh, cool. Is that crystallized xanthanite? It conducts electrons across dimensions.
20% accurate as usual, Morty. The important thing being, I just upgraded our cable package with programming from every conceivable reality.
Wait.
Jerry, you don't get it. This is infinite TV from infinite universes. A violent antique show.
Wait!
What in the hell?
I agree. Where's this going?
No, the other thing! Go back!
Really? All right, fine.
Have you ever felt like life seems to be piling up? You got finals coming around. You need an escape? You deserve an escape.
Jerry, when you're right, you're right. Now I'm hooked.
Or have you ever been under house arrest for committing tax fraud or investing in stocks ahead of time when you knew it was going to happen and you know that's also fraud? You deserve an escape. Or in an awkward social situation where you're just not sure if you should verbally leave them on red. Or you need to go on campus and you have to check yourself in as a guest on Trojan Check because you once again forgot to test. You deserve an escape. Whatever predicament you've somehow gotten yourself into, you deserve a cheap, affordable escape.
Introducing Portal Fun! Portal Fun is a teleportation experience for all your escape needs. This beautiful, sleek, portable, not clunky, did I mention beautiful device allows for you to travel anywhere in the multiverse. As long as you're visiting Ohio, the Glendale Mall, Paris, Texas, and one mystery location. This little piece of perfection was forged from the blood, sweat, and tears of 5 brilliant scientists. Let's meet them now.
I worked on two things. The first was the image processing algorithm that stitched individual Street View tiles together to form one large image that the portal gun would display, which was particularly interesting because I got to work with the images at a pixel level. The second was the actual wiring of the orientation sensor, which was a little bit more difficult because the headers didn't come soldered onto the sensor, which was just a recipe for loose connections and short circuits, but in the end we managed to get it wired up to the Pi.
Hello, I am certified portal gun scientist Katie Randall. Originally in the development of our device, I used Unity to create 360 photospheres that would let you look around different locations as if you were really there. However, due to technical difficulties and issues integrating Unity with our other devices, we decided that it wasn't ideal for use in our project. From there, we chose to use the Google Maps Street View API instead. I helped work on a Python script that used HTTP requests to return a Street View image based on a given X and Y coordinate. Additionally, I worked a bit with the hardware by working on code for our rotary encoder. Overall, as a freshman working on this device, I learned a lot and I'm excited to get to use this knowledge towards future classes and projects.
Hi, so for my contributions to the project Portal Gun, when we originally thought we were using Unity, I was researching how to do HTTP requests in Unity and then potential how to use the Google API inside Unity. After design reviews with professors and seeing that was definitely not the way to go, we switched over to Python, which then I was able to JSON request the Pano ID of where extracting it by using the API and doing an HTTP request, which ended up working and we were able to get the image from it.
The design of the shell and UI of the portal gun was an epic battle with Fusion 360. One of the biggest concerns in this build was the size of the projector. It couldn't be too big or the portal gun would not be portable, but the small ones did not have ideal length with height ratios. To deal with this, I left a hole in the top of the shell to make sure the front wasn't too bulky. Another issue was how to get the rotary encoder / button to stay in place while being interacted with. To do this, I strategically inserted a support bar and an aligning hole for the rotary encoder to rest in. Finally, I assembled all the pieces together by melting the pieces of plastic with an old soldering iron, painted the shell, and did some little LED animations.
I bought Portal Gun for my first ever bank robbery. The robbery went off without a hitch. All that was left was the escape. I tried to portal home but ended up in a generic Airbnb. I spent all the money I had stolen trying to get back home. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
The best part, though, is that you can have this marvelous product basically for free with your donation of 1 kidney or your soul. plus shipping and handling. Portal Fun can be yours within 50 to 100 business days. Portal Fun is not responsible for any lost or damaged brain cells of the user. Don't use Portal Fun if you or a loved one has experienced drinking soda in the last 7 years. Portal Fun is best used by adults 55 and older and may cause severe amnesia, loss of appetite, and/or spontaneous combustion, and is in no way affiliated with the Rick and Morty franchise. Call this number and get your Portal Fun today.
Going? Okay, cool. So we've got a random field in Ohio that's already been displayed. And now when we turn the encoder, we can choose all kinds of different things, including Paris, Texas. But this doesn't actually take us to Paris, Texas. It's legit Paris. So we press go, and then we wait a little bit, and bam, we're in Paris, Texas. Where's Paris?